Hey there, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Google Analytics to Facebook and start tracking your Facebook traffic seamlessly. If you are looking to get deeper insights into your Facebook visitors we have on your website, this is for you. First thing first, if you don't already have Google Analytics set up, you will need to get up the rolling. If you need help, you check out full setup tutorial. Once Google Analytics is up and running, you are ready for the fun part. Um, if your website is on WordPress, the easiest way to link Google Analytics and Facebook is through a plugin called Monster Insights. Monster Insights is the best Google Analytics plugin for WordPress, and here's why. It lets you see all your Google Analytics data right inside your WordPress dashboard. It makes tracking things like Facebook traffic, events, e-commerce, and more super easy. Plus, you can connect Facebook with just a couple of links. Once you install Master Insights, it also lets you install the Facebook Pixel without any code, so you can track Facebook ads. To see your Facebook traffic in Google Analytics, follow this step. Go to your Google Analytics dashboard, navigate to acquisition, all traffic, source, medium, then from here you can filter by Facebook and check the performance of traffic coming from Facebook. You will be able to see important data like bounce rate, session duration, and conversion rates. It will help you understand how well your Facebook visitors are engaging with your site. If you want to go a step further and track specific Facebook campaigns, you can add UTM parameters to your Facebook links. This way, you can easily categorize different campaigns and see how each one is performing in Google Analytics. For example, you might want to track Facebook ad campaigns, organic Facebook posts, Facebook stories. By adding UTM codes, you can clearly label each traffic source and campaigns in your reports, making it easier and analyze your result. And that's it. You are now all set to track your Facebook traffic in Google Analytics. If you are using Monster Insights, you will even get Facebook Pixel integration without any coding. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know your thoughts in the comments.